And the prototype that we will demonstrate is a real-time semantic enhanced multimedia collaboration tool with augmented reality multimedia browser. And the application has the basic features of capturing an image or listing the acquired multimedia or browsing them with augmented reality browser or map view or chat with your colleagues in a chat conference. We will start with capturing an image. So in this case it is Aachen RWTH. Yes. And afterwards we should enter the basic multimedia description. In this case the title is Aachen RWTH. And the descriptions we can give like Town Hall of Aachen. And we can also associate it with some keywords which are separated via commas. And we can also edit the location for map and augmented reality features. So it's, as you see, it's the current location, but the correct location of RWTH is in the city center of Aachen, which is here. For the accuracy, we can lower it since we added it in a more correct one, and we can leave the altitude as 0. So we save it. And at this point, another user called Bob, he also logged into the XmmC. He started to explore the multimedias via map view. And Alice, she uploads the multimedia to the system, as you see. And then Bob gets a notification that Alice acquired a new video, and the point of interest also appears on the map. So on the map view, you can switch between map and satellite, and you can also go back to the current location by clicking My Location. And you can also change the zoom level so that you filter the point of interest. For instance, some point of interest are disappeared in this moment, and they come back. In the meantime, Alice opens the list view, and at the list, as you see, the multimedias, they are classified according to the owner and also sorting via the acquired date. And Bob, since he knows about the new multimedia, he writes to his colleagues to annotate it. So he says, let's annotate. And you see it appears at Alice view. And then they join the collaboration session for annotation. Alice joins it via list view. And for Bob, it's possible also to join a collaboration session via the map view. And since Bob doesn't have the multimedia, it downloaded it. And now they can do further annotations on the multimedia. So Alice started to add the semantic annotations. As you see, there are different semantic annotations. They are based off MPEG 7 standards. So it can be an agent, a person, an event, a place with geographical annotation, a concept, an object, or a time. Alice started to do annotation with an agent. So she knows RWTH started to build during the period of Mayor Gerhard Corus, and As soon as she make the annotation, it appears on Bob view. Then Bob continue to do annotation with an object type. So he says this is town hall. So as you see, this update is also come here in real time. And afterwards, Alice continue to annotate with a time annotation, and this annotation is also sent in real time. And Bob continue with an location annotation. So here comes the map view for the location. Yes, and when you long press, then it comes with a pin and it suggests automatically the street name, city name, and the country name. So this is also shown at Alice view, and he also add a concept, and he thinks this is Gothic architecture. However, Alice has more information about history and architecture, and she corrects this annotation so the users, they can modify the annotations by basically clicking on them and then editing. So she says this is Baroque instead of Gothic architecture. And as you see, it's also changed at Bob's view. And afterwards, Bob wants to delete an annotation, so it's very easy to delete an annotation as well. Users just long press on annotation, then it asks for confirmation, then the annotation deleted. So they go back to their previous activity, leave the collaboration session, both of them, and then they can continue to explore the further multimedia and do further annotations.
We will now demonstrate the augmented reality features in a location at Aachen Cathedral. By pressing on the augmented reality, we can see now points of interest on the image capturing feature of the Android phone. So we can see the Aachen Rathaus point of interest and the distance where it is situated. This distance can be adjusted by setting a precision level with a radius. Now it's set on 6 kilometers. By rotating the phone, other points of interest in the respective direction will be shown. By clicking on an image, the collaborative session can be opened again. So we can access the semantic annotations available for a point of interest and edit the description or title or keywords. Thank you very much for watching.